As you can see downtown, things are looking good. I was just asked about the rain possibilities. There's a little bit of rain out there tonight. The emphasis is on little. There's very, very few areas, especially over land. The ones that we do have are offshore. Little bit of a shot, better shot down across southern Outer Banks than anywhere else. But in general, we're going to keep those again offshore. So for right now, we're at 51 degrees, a little bit of a northeast breeze, not super light, but not heavy either. 8 miles per hour, sort of a moderate pace. Falling barometric pressure, 30.20 inches of mercury, and humidity pretty high at 86%. So a few very isolated showers, mainly for the Outer Banks. For you down to the south, maybe a 30% chance of rain. That's probably even a little bit high. Current temperatures, as you can see, a little milder right near the shoreline. In fact, 60 right now at Manio. Many areas, in fact, looks like almost everybody else is in the 50s. Almanac page for today, speaking of the 50s, that's what we had. Talk about a, quote, normal day. Normal's 57, that's what we were. And low of 40, and we were 41 degrees, so almost exactly on target. The bad news is we continue to just add to that deficit. We wish we were adding to the rain totals. Instead, that deficit is increasing 9 1/3 inches below normal. And we were way ahead earlier this year. So really, we're probably close to a foot below normal since summer. Temperatures, again, for a high today, inland areas, well, actually, it's sort of mixed. You can see some spots inland were in the 50s, some were 60s. So there wasn't a big spread out there right now. Very uniform readings, 52s, 53. There's a 54 in downtown Newport News. Eastern Shore, 51s, 52s for the most part, 50s, 51 back across areas there of the northern neck, and then not a whole lot of difference either in North Carolina. A little bit more in the way of 60s. A lot of spots right at 60 or 61 across the Outer Banks. So a couple of those showers, again, generally offshore. Ever so slight chance we get one of those here in Hampton Roads. Into tomorrow, we'll start off with some partial sunshine. Temperatures chilly, but fairly normal for this time of year. During the late morning, starting to rise up into the 60s, and we end up warm tomorrow. Probably a little warmer than what we had yesterday. We're going to get up, I think, a little bit more into the 60s. And then it looks like a pretty pleasant but breezy evening Monday. And then here's the rain chance. But again, this is a thin line of showers that's going to come through Monday night. Should be gone pretty much by Tuesday. At one point, it looked like Tuesday would have numerous rain showers. And then the front's weaker, a little faster moving. So Outer Banks, you'll see some rain probably on Tuesday, but the rest of us won't. There's that weak system sitting generally offshore tonight. A few isolated showers, mainly for the Outer Banks. Temperatures down near 50 degrees. Tomorrow, 68. Shower is possible late in the day. Otherwise, sort of a mixture of clouds and some sunshine. Tomorrow night, stray shower possible. Very low odds once again. And then on Tuesday, chillier, 48 degrees, breezy. Few possible showers, mainly to the south. And then looks like 70% chance of rain on Wednesday. Look at those temperatures. A few days in the upper 40s before going back almost to 70 by next Saturday.
I'm not mad at that at all.